Hello, sir.
Hello, how are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
Very good.
You look so smart.
Yeah, thank you. It's a good day.
Did they tell you what you're putting on?
Yes,
What is it called?
a Kwanzula. Yeah.
A Kwanjula is the function.
Yes.
Then what are you putting
Oh,
on?
a Kwanzu, sorry.
Yeah.
Yes, okay.
Okay, that is our traditional attire for men.
Yes.
How does it feel putting it on?
It's good. It's very beautiful. It's exciting to be here.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Justin.
Justin.
Yes.
Where did you meet with Regina?
In Chicago, USA.
Okay.
Yes.
How many years back?
About 10, a little over 10 years.
Sure.
I am, but I understand that this is a presentation, so
That's so good. So do you people have any kids together?
yes, we do. I am Salongo.
Are you sure?
Yes.
This is so good. You had to come.
Yes.
You had to pay the bride price.
Yes.
Because she gave you 2 kids.
Yes.
Okay. So you're Salongo Justin.
Yes.
Slanesh.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. Apart from making you a Salongo, what has made you come here to get her officially?
Oh, it's been very, very interesting understanding what's going to happen today, and very interesting the process. We just got here, and my man here, Tom, he's been through a small one, and they kind of coached me, so I know what's happening.
Okay.
But not everything.
What have they coached you in particular that you're ready to put into practice?
Well, I'm understanding my wife may bow before me, so that's sort of rare.
You've never seen it?
And some of the nicer, more formality functions of working with the family and presenting to them. So very excited to see the formality part.
And of course, you had to come with gifts
Yes.
to say thank you to
Yes.
the parents.
That's all been arranged, and I think that process has been sort of previously worked out.
What have you learned from her for the time you've been together?
What have I learned from her? To be a good husband, I guess, and also to be strong, and Ugandan women quite strong-willed. So let's leave it at that. It's her day and our day, so very happy, just very happy to be here.
Is there any song you want to send to her, to dedicate to her, to communicate how you feel right now?
A song?
Yeah, through a song.
Oh, I had not thought of that. So you'll have to give me a bit more time on that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Okay, any message you want to tell her?
I love you, honey. It's going to be a great day.
Have you seen her? How long have you taken without seeing her?
It was basically last night.
Last night?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Best man, how are you, sir?
I'm fine, thank you very much.
How is the situation here in Uganda?
Oh, I love it. I love it. I've been here quite a while. I used to live here, but I'm just back for this beautiful occasion.
Okay. How do you call the group?
What do I call him? I call him my brother, really. He's Justin.
Okay. You know everything about him.
I don't know everything. No one should know everything about anyone else, I don't think. But I know what I do know. I know he's a great man and a great husband and a great father. So.
What advice can you give them that will make them last forever and ever and ever in marriage, in their marriage?
Well, be loving, of course, but we know that. But be tolerant and listen. And sometimes when you feel as though you want to lead, step back and let the other person lead.
Oh, that's great. And I like the word tolerant.
Absolutely. And as Justin said, Ugandan women are amazing people, but they're very strong, and that's great. And that's something we need to appreciate more. So learning to both share the partnership, share the relationship, I think is important.
Okay, thank you so much. Now here, after marrying, you can take some time without going with her. Do you want to go with her today, or you want her to stay a little bit?
Well, it's my understanding that the tradition is the women stay here at the house. I think that's the arrangement. And
But given choice, what would you want?
well, normally in American function, Western function, you would have first nights. But we had those times previously, so I'm fine with the traditional way. And
Be patient.
I will be patient because I have been already.
For how long?
Oh, let's say one day.
Okay, tell her, honey, I'm giving you only one day, then you come back.
Okay, Regina, one day.
Yeah, only
That's
one
all.
day.
That's all.
Okay, sir, thank you so much.
Thank you.